Welcome to another episode of Decoding Digital Dentistry. Here we explore the cutting edge tech shaping the future of dental care. In this episode, we are diving into the remarkable world of Formlabs 3D printers. First, let's talk tech. Formlabs 4B and Fuse 1 Plus 30-watt leverage some of the latest advancements in 3D printing. With MSLA technology, they are built for ultra high resolution, ideal for those delicate dental details. For instance, the Form 4B boasts a layer resolution of just 25 microns. Imagine the accuracy in complex restorations and guides. Meanwhile, the Fuse 1 Plus 30-watt uses selective laser sintering (SLS) to produce stronger parts like removable partial dentures and orthodontic retainers without the need for supports. This minimizes cleanup and gives smoother finishes. What about materials? Formlabs offer biocompatible dental grade resin, specially crafted for various dental needs. The permanent crown resin is built for durability and color accuracy, making it great for crowns and bridges that blend seamlessly with natural teeth. Surgical guide resin, perfect for high precision surgical guides. And with the Formlabs clear aligner resin, dental professionals can print clear stain resistant aligners right in the lab. Another major advantage is how easily Formlabs integrates into dental workflows. Their printers are designed for use with CAD software that's common in dental labs. You can import STL files from systems like 3Shape or Exocad, making it smooth to go from digital scan to printed model without extra straps. How does it affect the workflow? Speed is a huge advantage. With the Form 4B, you can print up to 30 temporary crowns in a single job, cutting production time by over 50% compared to traditional methods. And thanks to their large build platforms, you can produce multiple models in one go, maximizing lab output. This means you are not only saving on lab space but also drastically reducing chair time for patients, an all-around win. Formlabs dental printers are changing the game, bringing advanced design, high accuracy and effectiveness to labs everywhere. Whether you are designing prosthetics, guides, or aligners, these printers streamline the entire process. And stay tuned for more digital dentistry insights. Till then, happy printing.